Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we're gonna make Roy Choi's instant ramen. Roy Choi is one of my favorite American chef, and he lives in LA, and he has two season Netflix shows. If you are interested in, you can check on it. And today we need Japanese Ichiban Ramen, a mushroom, green onions, bok choy, bell peppers, butter, egg, American cheddar cheese. Please cut vegetables first. Boil 2 cups of water. When water is boiling, add ramen noodle and soup base. We're gonna cook 3 minutes. So if you like more cooked veggies, you can add vegetables now. Green onions can be used as garnish later time. Then add 1 spoon of butter. Add an egg. I want to keep yolk as usual. Uh, but it's up to you. If you want to break it, you can do it now. I don't like overcooked noodles, so I'm gonna take it out first. So I want to cook top of the egg a little bit more. The bok choy looks really good. Now you can add a cheddar cheese. The kinds of cheese is your preference. You can add provolone or American cheese or mozzarella cheese. It's up to you. It looks good. Ichiban noodle is soy sauce based mild Japanese noodle. It goes well with cheese and butter. Soup is soft and it tastes really good. Butter and cheese mixed with soy sauce, and I taste a little bit chicken stock and beef stock taste, and it is really good. You can add green onions or roasted sesame seeds as a garnish. If you don't like spicy noodle, this would be a good choice. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will add more ramen recipes in the future, okay? Thank you. Bye.